0 to 8 months. How big are the fry now? Can you guess? If you think I'm just a keyboard warrior who talks the talk but cannot walk the walk, then think again, as these fry results here speak for themselves. 25 plus koi in 300 gallons, and I added up the koi lengths and it came to a whopping 4.41 meters of koi. This is an update on this year's fry for May 2024, June and July, so they are 6 to 9 months old. I will start with the smallest fry to give you some time to predict at what size the biggest fry is. No cheating. The koi are in a 300-gallon tank in the garage, heated currently to 18 degrees C. The filter system is an ultra sieve to a pump to a shower, which is a 3-tier 2-foot shower. There are a total of 27 koi for company. Most are my homegrown fry and the 2 survivors from the Eden Koi Pond Sakai Growout, and 3 Ginring Goshkis from Malcolm at Koi Water Garden that I'm growing on. The Benny is suffering from a lack of daylight in the garage, and the polycarbonate covering has gone a bit opaque, which does not help at all. A very good koi buddy of mine calls me the growth guru and says that I grow big koi. But I keep saying all I do is provide the opportunity for the koi to thrive. The koi do all the hard work by growing. Once these koi come into the daylight, they will look totally different as the benny will darken down. There's a separate video on Eden Koi Pond Sakai grow out, but what a difference 6 months can make to the sumi. It's totally different. I had a job to pick out which koi were the Sakai grow out ones, as some of my showers in there. And these are this year's fry. You cannot call them fry at 39 cm. In the end, I concentrated on just the benny pattern. This is the third Goring Goshki from Koi Water Garden.